Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Arif. Welcome back again. So in this video I'm going to share with you some basic things how you can practice English in your reading room with simple story or simple dialogue. So I'm gonna starting the video. So before starting, I would like to say that if you're a new subscriber, if you're the new viewers in this YouTube channel, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. And this is the easy dialogue from class 5, and I think this story will be best for you for learning English. So let's start. So this is the dialogue of class 5. So I would like to show you how to practice in your reading room. So there is a name here, Seema. Hello, may I introduce myself? Seema is saying that, hello, may I introduce myself? I am Seema. You can say, I am Rakib. I'm Rakib. May I introduce yourself? I'm Rakib. Disisa. Hi, I am Disisa. Disisa saying that, hi, I am Disisa. Seema saying, where are you going? That means you are going somewhere and your friend told from behind you, where are you going, Rakib? Where are you going, Rakib? There is a name here, Disisa. Where are you going, Rakib? Just you will change the name. Where are you going, Rakib? Where are you going, Arif? Where are you going, Seema? Where are you going, Ritu? You can change that. Okay, this is the very easy system for speaking. You can make a lot of question changing by changing. Okay, next, this is a saying that I'm going to Chattogram. You can say that I'm going to Mymensingh, I'm going to Dhaka, I'm going to Cox's Bazar, I'm going to Sylhet, I'm going to different kind of country. You can say I'm going to Canada, I'm going to USA, I'm going to Malaysia. Changing by changing, you can make a lot of sentence. Okay, I'm on holiday. You can change that with my mother. I'm on holiday with my sister. I'm on holiday with my grandfather. I'm on holiday with my grandmother. You can change that. Okay. So Seema says that, really, where are you from? Where are you from? That means where do you live? Where do you live? You can say that I am from Bangladesh, I am from Pakistan, I am from USA, I am from Dhaka. Anything you can say. We will say that what is talking. This is okay. Let's start. I'm from United Kingdom. This is a saying that I'm from United Kingdom. You can say I'm from Dhaka, I'm from Mymensingh, I'm from Chattogram, I'm from Malaysia, I'm from Canada. Anything you can say, it's your wish. Are you from Dhaka? This is a question. It's very yes no question. So are you from Dhaka? Are you from Bangladesh? Are you from India? Are you from USA? Are you from Afghanistan? Anything you can say that. Okay. Next is Seema. No. You can say no or yes, because this is the yes no question. Are you from Dhaka? This is the yes no question. That's why you can say no or yes. I'm from Sylhet. You can sense that. I'm from Sylhet. I'm from Mymensingh. I'm from Dhaka. I'm from Canada. I'm from Malaysia. I'm from Bangladesh. Anything you can say. That's where we're going. That's where we're going. Because that's why you are going there. That's why you can say that that's where we're going. Our train is leaving in 10 minutes. Because you are waiting for the train and your train will leave within 10 minutes. In this situation, you can say that our train is leaving in 10 minutes. Okay. Next is this is a have a good journey. Have a good journey. And you can just say your friend or your father and mother. Your father is going to different kind of place for traveling. Your friend is going to different kind of country or different kind of place for traveling. In this time, you can say have a good journey. That means your journey will be very well. Okay. Next is Seema. Thank you. Nice meeting you. That means nice meeting you. To meet with you, I'm very happy. Okay. This is a have fun in Chattogram. You can say that have fun in Sylhet, have fun in Dhaka, have fun in Malaysia. Next sentence is this is a thanks, nice meeting you too. You are also saying your friend, nice to meeting you, Shima. Okay, so in such a way you can make a lot of sentence by easy topic. Okay, so today I showed you how to make different kind of easy sentence and easy question, very easy way in your reading room. If you want, you can make easy sentence, easy question by practicing. Okay, and it will be very helpful for you to learn English. Okay, if you want, I will make a lot of question from this dialogue, and it will be more helpful for you. Okay, there is a question here. I would like to show you. There is a question here, and I would like to try to answer all the question if you want. So leave a comment in comment box for question and answer. Question and answer. I will try to give you the question and answer. Okay, that will be another helpful things. Okay, so my dear viewers, I uploaded the new system how you can practice English in your reading room. I think this video was very helpful for you, and if you find this video was excellent, it's very helpful, so never forget to subscribe this YouTube channel. Okay, thank you so much. Have a nice day. See you. Bye bye.